Protecting cardholder data is one of the core objectives of the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS. Organizations that handle payment card transactions must implement robust security measures to safeguard cardholder data throughout the entire transaction process and storage. Here are essential steps to protect cardholder data. 1. Encryption. Use strong encryption protocols, e.g., AES, TLS, to protect cardholder data during transmission over public networks, such as the Internet. Encrypt sensitive data when stored in databases or on other storage media to ensure that even if unauthorized access occurs, the data remains unreadable. 2. Tokenization. Consider implementing tokenization, a technique that replaces sensitive cardholder data with unique tokens. The tokens can be used for certain purposes without exposing the actual card data. 3. Restrict data storage. Store only the necessary cardholder data required for business purposes. Avoid storing sensitive authentication data, e.g., CVV or PIN, after authorization. 4. Access controls. Implement strong access controls to restrict access to cardholder data. Only authorized personnel should have access to such data, and access rights should follow the principle of least privilege. 5. Secure payment card terminals. Use secure and validated payment card terminals, e.g., POS devices, that meet industry standards and protect against tampering and skimming. 6. Network segmentation. Segment the cardholder data environment, CDE, from other parts of the network to limit exposure to sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access. 7. Regular security testing. Conduct regular security testing, such as penetration testing and vulnerability assessments, to identify and address potential weaknesses in the security infrastructure. 8. Security policies and training. Develop and enforce comprehensive security policies and procedures for handling cardholder data. Train employees on data security best practices and the proper handling of payment card information. 9. Monitor and log activity. Implement logging and monitoring systems to track access to cardholder data and detect suspicious activities or unauthorized access attempts. 10. Compliance with PCI DSS. Ensure full compliance with the requirements of the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Compliance involves regular assessments and reporting to the card brands and payment processors. 11. Secure remote access. If remote access to cardholder data is necessary, use secure methods such as VPNs and multi-factor authentication to protect against unauthorized access. 12. Incident response plan. Develop and test an incident response plan to respond effectively to security incidents involving cardholder data breaches. Protecting cardholder data requires a multi-layered approach that combines technical measures, policies, and employee awareness. Organizations must continuously monitor and update their security measures to stay ahead of evolving cyber threats and maintain a secure payment environment. Compliance with industry standards like PCI DSS is essential to ensure the highest level of protection for cardholder data.